Okay, today's location with the AVATA 2 is pretty cool. Takeoff in normal. Whee, we've got some wind, look at this. Okay, let's stick it into manual, so whack up that to 35. Let's have a little looky. So let's be sensible, keep close-ish to my location. But we can see where the car's parked. And then fly nice and close. So we've got like a marina here. So there's the car, marina. This is where we just walked down. And then beach is over here, which will be very quiet, I think. Yeah, no one on those beaches. There's definitely some wind about. It's moving a lot. I'm not doing any fancy acro today. Let's try the path shot. So let's go. That's the birds. That's that. Into the path. So I like that. Let's try that again, but a little bit slower, more control, closer to the floor, and then give it some throttle to come out and up. Nearly. Just want to go closer and lower for longer. So the goal is to get like a cool real shot. So 10-15 second one we can use. Okay. That's better. And then turn. Let's see where we just came from. Yeah, 58%. Let's check out the rocks here. Well, careful of the wind. And the seagulls. really slow into the wind. Up, 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 up. That wind is really affecting things. So you see how slow I'm going? And then we'll turn around and come back that same path, but with the wind behind us. Yeah. Break up. Just bring her in before it gets too low on the battery. Okay, I'm not sure how good that will be for the reel, but let's stick some music on it, make it look fancy. Let me know what you think.